Hey guys, it's Brendan, and I wanted to do this really quick before I upload my actual video for today. But we left this Dr. Pepper in the freezer by accident, and it started to explode. And yeah, this is what it looks like, so I'm gonna open it and see what happens. So I'm gonna take it out here to the street, well, into the sidewalk at least. And I'm gonna open it. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up right now. And it's gonna explode, and I hope it doesn't get all over me, but 3, 2, 1. Oh, nothing happened. I think it's because it's frozen solid. Yeah, that's hard as a rock. Let's see if we can get this thing to explode. Oh, yeah, that exploded the top off right there. Here's the top, exploded off. So we're gonna do it again. That exploded everywhere. So that really messed it up. So we're gonna throw it straight up into the air. Here we go. Nothing happened there, it just dented it up, but here we go again. I don't have any shoes on, and it's really hot. And then, just take a moment to show you guys the can of Dr. Pepper. This is what it looks like. This is the can of Dr. Pepper. Oh, that really got it. It's down there. And oh, it's all messed up inside. Bet you can pour this out now. Okay, still some in there. Now it's really messed up. I'm gonna chuck it down the street, actually. Down there. I'm gonna walk into the shade because I don't want to have my feet burned off. So here's the street. Dr. Pepper can. 1, 2, 3, go. That didn't go very far, but it's because all the ice fell out. There's no more Dr. Pepper. It's just exploded around. So yeah, here's the Dr. Pepper can, and I will see you guys for my next video, and I will upload it in just a few. See ya. Peace.